Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Windows Update 0x8007 error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the Windows search bar. Now from the Windows search bar you can go ahead and type in settings. Once the settings is open, you can make your way over to system, and then you can go ahead and go down to troubleshoot. Now once you find troubleshoot, you can go ahead and click on other troubleshooters. Now from here, look for Windows Update and go ahead and hit run. Now let the troubleshoot basically run and let it find the error code, and once it does, that is one method it can fix the error code. Now the second thing that you guys can do is go ahead and X out of settings. Now the second method you guys can do is going over to the command prompt. Go ahead and right click on the command prompt and hit run as an administrator, and then once that is open, go ahead and type in sfc/scan now, and this will also help fix the issue. And once that's done verifying, the error code should be gone. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.